What is the best part of being back at school?
Seeing friends.
The best part of being back at school is being with my friends, and yeah.
I get to see all my friends and be around all my teachers.
Well, I get to see my friends again. It was lonely during lockdown, so I'm glad to be back.
Being able to see people that you used to see, but now you see them differently and you actually appreciate everybody even more than you did.
It's really great to see my teachers and my friends again and have social interactions.
Seeing people. That's it.
I don't know. It's lit. It's fun. It's lit.
I enjoy being in class and speaking to my teachers again.
Definitely miss getting dressed, miss wearing my shoes and clothes, and I miss seeing people and socializing.
You know, waking up in the morning early, yeah. Seeing our lemon tree grow, yeah. Socializing with friends, nice.
The best part about being back at school is being in class with my teachers again and seeing my friends.